Renee, and look who has come to visit us today. Today in Renee's Garden Adventure, it is Tails. Tails is a new addition to my garden, and he is a menace to my garden. Look, he's already found some kind of a nut, probably one of my tulip bulbs, and he's over there having a good old time just snacking. But that's okay, Tails, because in Renee's garden, you gonna learn the rules over here, for sure, for sure. Well, I used to have a squirrel by the name of Rocky, if you guys have been with me for a long time. But you know Rocky has passed away, so now Tails has come to take over his Rocky spot. And I do believe he's probably one of Rocky's either relatives, friends, because they always seem to sit in the same spots. Rocky used to love to sit in that flower box right there, and he would love to turn in the direction where I'm sitting in my house in my bay window, so we can look eyeball to eyeball. So he can just sit there and just give me that look as if to say, oh well, Renee, you're inside, and thank you for putting out these tulip bulbs because they are so tasty. Look at them. See what I'm saying about eyeball to eyeball? I'm looking at him, and he is definitely looking at me. He done ate that tulip bulb, so now he's gonna be going and looking for somewhere else. There we go. All right, Tails, we'll see you later.